Okay, so we've just signed in, all right, and okay, so we've just signed into the system. Now, what you're going to need to do is just find here. We've come into the settings area, and I know everybody's Odoo system is a bit different to this, but we're looking for our in and outgoing mail servers, okay, but we also need to find our general settings area. And in our general settings, we've got our alias domain. Okay. Now, again, if we just come down, we're going to set up an incoming mail server for which we've already got our support and Anthony at Vuente. Not sure whether we've got our outgoing for outgoing and potentially outgoing there. So we just, if that needs to be changed, the send grid one here we use for mass mail more so. Okay. Now let's just come back, and we're going to, in fact, I'll just jump back in there again. I'm going to move the projects menu. We're going to see it there. This is the projects. Now I'm going to come into here again, but I'm just going to refresh that. So we've put the projects up here there now. Okay, now I'm looking for one particular project, and I'm going to just I'm looking for this particular 9 dots. So we're going to have to go, so once we found the project, which I'll make the very first project, we come in here, we go there, whoops, back to that, sorry, more, settings, and then in here, we've got emails, and we've got our 9 dots at vuente.com. So I'm going to call that 9 dots project. Okay, so I'm going to save that. Now, once the messages start coming through, you'll start to see that it's got the send messages and what have you. And we're hoping that we're creating now a mail thread, or at least stage 1 is going to be getting it into our messages here. Okay, so we'll end up with an inbox, and we can sort of, in effect, we want to be able to send a message from here as well, and that message will be sent via the user. But let's get it started, and no doubt there'll be some other questions, and let's just follow the process. Alrighty, well, I hope that makes enough sense, and I'm going to send you through the Vuente username and password, and also for my Gmail master account, so we can get all the primary administrative settings going. Alright, well, thanks for that, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.